Alright, so as promised, I'm going to show you how to graph voltage against time and current against time in Excel. Of course, using the data we collected from our experiment. Okay, so I need to create a column called time. So T, I'll call it T or time maybe. Yeah, time. One called voltage. Voltage across resistor. Okay, so I'll just call it voltage or just V. One called current or I guess V is better. V and maybe T for time. Okay. And then I need to enter the data. So time T equals 0, time T equals 10. So we stopped at 60, so I'm going to use a formula that's easier that way. Previous value plus 10 because I'm using intervals of 10 seconds. And then copy using the formula. Good. The voltage, if you remember from our experiment, the initial voltage was 9. And then the next value was 7. And then we had 5.5. And then 4.4. And then 3.4. 2.7, 2.1. And for the current, we had 213.3, 166.3, 131.2, 103.5, 81.5, 64.3 and 50.6. Okay, 50.6. Alright, so that's it. Or maybe I want to have this in boldface. Okay, so let's create the graphs. I'm going to select the first two columns. Okay, and now insert. Click on insert, and then choose this scatter plot. Commit. Choose the first one. And here it is. That's my graph of voltage against time. And we can include a title. Chart title. Voltage versus time. You can include axis title, horizontal, so that's time. So design, add chart element, and we have voltage here, voltage across resistor. So that's it. That's you need. You see that the voltage decreases as time goes by. We would like to do the same thing for the current. So I'm going to select all three columns and go through the same steps. Okay. So current is in orange, voltage is in blue, but I don't need the voltage, so I click on it on any data point, delete, and it's gone. Title, chart title, current versus time, the horizontal axis corresponds to time. I mean, the legend here is not necessary since we have only one curve. I can delete that. And then, of course, I need the vertical axis. Current in microamperes. Remember, the units were microamperes, and the voltage was had units in volts. So I'm going to click on this, double click in volts. So that's it. They both decrease, the voltage decreases and the current decreases as time goes by. I hope you will find this useful. Thank you and see you next time.